Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anil Adagale from Symbiosis College of Arts and Commerce. I am working as professor in Department of English for more than 25 years. I am delighted to offer you the course British Literature, the Early 20th Century. It is a 5-credit course which has been spread over 13 weeks, and the content of the course will be approximately 25 hours. 20th century British literature may be understood as a literature of rupture, reinvention and relentless questioning. An age marked by world wars, industrial transformation, imperial decline, technological change and shifting ideas about identity, morality and truth. Thank you and welcome you all to explore the early 20th century British literature.